How to turn off photo information on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you are here, scroll until you find the picture you want to edit. After selecting the photo, tap on the Details icon below. This action reveals the photo's detailed information panel, which includes a small map showing the location where the photo was originally taken. Next to the map and location name, tap the blue Adjust button. On the Adjust Location screen that appears, select the option at the top labeled No Location. The location data is instantly removed. The app returns to the information panel, where the map has been replaced with a prompt to add a location. The location information has now been successfully removed from that single photo, which can be useful for protecting your privacy before sharing the image. Following these steps, you can easily turn off photo information on iPhone.